All right. Well, hey, you guys. Hope everybody had a good Easter and you're ready to move on with this week's work. You should be studying your rocks and minerals for the quiz that will be on Thursday. You will go around to different stations where you will have a rock sample or a mineral sample. You'll have an answer sheet that Shali will give you. On one side of that answer sheet will be blank lines with some numbers, and when you're at a station, if you're at station number 5, you look at the sample, and then in line number 5 you're going to write what mineral or rock is in that spot, and then he'll excuse you to go to the next spot, and you'll go all the way around the room and identify all the rocks and minerals that way. On the back side of that answer sheet will be some questions related to other things that we have been studying during this unit of study. So there will be something related to the rock cycle. You do need to know all the components of the rock cycle, going one direction, backwards, things like that. So any of the words that are on this diagram right here can show up in the rock cycle. I won't ask you anything that's not on this diagram, so if you don't have that diagram in your notes and you're not studying it, that will certainly not be to your advantage. So I can't ask you anything that's not on that diagram right there. I will perhaps ask you other questions, though, the things that we've been studying. So we talked, about arguing from evidence. So I may have a question related to arguing from evidence. And I may also have a question related to models and how we use models and why we use models. So that's what's happening this week. And if you have time, also I'll give you another opportunity to continue to work on some of your models for landforms. So that'll also happen on Thursday. Otherwise, we'll come back to the landform activity the following week. And I think that should help you. Some of you have said that one of the things you don't like about the podcasts is that you cannot ask me questions. So I'm going to look into seeing how that we might be able to do that. You can always email me. My email sends out the link to the YouTube video. So you can always just email me back and ask me whatever questions you have, because I teach online, so I'm used to being online, and I can email the answer right back to you. So good luck this week, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.